Want to speak real Persian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at PersianPod101.com. You are at a lost and found office at a train station where you're hoping to retrieve a wallet that you've lost. The staff member presents you with a form to fill out. What information do you need to fill out to complete the form? What information do you need to fill out to complete the form? The form states that you need to fill out your name, address, phone number, and a description of your lost property.
نام، نشانی، شماره تماس و شرح اموال گم شده.
You are on a platform at a train station where you've been waiting for your train. It appears to be running late. Suddenly, a message appears on the display. What does the message on the display mean? What does the message on the display mean? The display reads, "Train services on this line have been canceled due to an accident on the train tracks. We apologize for the inconvenience."
به علت وقوع حادثه، حرکت قطار در این خط متوقف شده است. از تأخیر پیش آمده پوزش می‌طلبیم.
You are at a subway station where you're trying to charge your Metro card. A special notice is posted on the machine. Which option should you choose to charge your Metro card? Which option should you choose to charge your Metro card? The notice says that you should go to the counter if you would like to charge your Metro card.
برای شارژ کارت مترو به باجه فروش بلیط مراجعه کنید.
You've just arrived at your destination and you're attempting to exit the train station. Unfortunately, the exit you usually take is blocked by some ongoing renovations. A signboard is posted informing you of another route. How should you proceed? How should you proceed? The sign tells you to go back in the opposite direction, take the escalators up to the second floor, and to turn right and take the east exit.
در جهت مخالف برگردید، با پله برقی به طبقه دوم بروید. به راست بپیچید و از خروجی شرقی خارج شوید.
You are at a train station reading a leaflet that you found at the train station. The leaflet is advertising a new shopping center that just opened. How do you get to the new shopping center? How do you get to the new shopping center? The leaflet says, "Please note, the north exit is the closest to the shopping center."
خروجی شمالی به مرکز خرید نزدیکتر است.
You're reading an event guide and are going to see an upcoming art event. What does the guide say about bringing food to the event? What does the guide say about bringing food to the event? The description reads that, "Please refrain from bringing any food and drinks along. Otherwise, the guests are required to forfeit their food and beverages at the fair entrance."
لطفاً از همراه آوردن هر گونه نوشیدنی و غذا خودداری کنید. در غیر این صورت، مهمانان ملزم هستند نوشیدنی و غذای خود را در ورودی نمایشگاه تحویل دهند.
You're planning to buy an instant meal. How much water do you add and what do you do once it's added? How much water do you add and what do you do once it's added? You add 100 milliliters of boiled water. Wait 3 to 5 minutes, then stir the contents.
100 میلی لیتر آب جوشیده اضافه کنید. 3 تا 5 دقیقه صبر کنید. سپس محتویات را هم بزنید.
You're at the clothing store and want to try on a few shirts. How many items are allowed in the fitting room? How many items are allowed in the fitting room? The notice says that a maximum of 3 items per customer are permitted inside the fitting room.
هر مشتری می تواند تا حداکثر 3 قلم داخل اتاق پرو ببرد.
After paying for your shirt, you notice the return policies printed on the receipt. What items are excluded from the return policy? What items are excluded from the return policy? The sentence means, please note that all sale items are excluded from this policy and are non-returnable.
توجه داشته باشید که اقلامی که در حراج به فروش می رسند شامل این قانون نمی شوند و غیر قابل بازگرداندن هستند.
With your receipt, you also received a coupon. Where do you have to present the coupon? Where do you have to present the coupon? It says, present this coupon at the counter at the time of purchase to receive a 20% discount off all items.
این کوپن را در زمان خرید در پیشخوان ارائه و روی تمام اقلام 20% تخفیف دریافت کنید.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.